If you're a faculty member looking to record your lecture, demonstration, technique, anything in advance and share it with your students, the most straightforward way to do it is using Techsmith Relay. If you're a student who needs to share a video with a faculty member, or you want to record something with your smartphone and then share it privately rather than posting something to YouTube or Instagram, Techsmith Relay can do this for you as well. If you're a staff member who's trying to demonstrate an application on your screen or convey an idea, you can also do this via Techsmith Relay. Think of Techsmith Relay as OCAD University's private YouTube. It allows you to record and distribute video to members of the institution in a way that's private to only people at the institution, and you can avoid using social media and for content that's essentially private. Techsmith Relay also incorporates some powerful features that do not exist on these other platforms. In-video commenting, so that anybody can comment at any particular time in the video and get feedback. You can also gain important analytics from the video, like whether your users watch the entire video. If you're a faculty member, you can embed quizzes as a way to have learners reflect on what they just watched. Relay also incorporates video transcribing. It will caption your videos using artificial intelligence and do the best job it can. You also have the ability to edit these captions if you so choose. Here's how to do it. First, on our website, you will find a series of articles on Relay. For most users, recording video content with the new recorder is the way that you want to do it. The only restrictions with the new recorder is that you cannot upload pre-canned videos, like finished videos, using the new recorder. You must use the classic recorder. In order to use the new recorder, first log in to Techsmith Relay. You'll notice it'll redirect you to ocadu.techsmithrelay.com. Let's sign in. First, Techsmith Relay will show you your existing media library. These are all the videos that I've recorded into Techsmith Relay and that I can share within Canvas with the click of a button. In order to launch capture, you would click the Launch Capture button, and it would bring up the Techsmith Relay recorder, giving you a selection of what parts of your screen you would like to record, which microphone you would like to use, and whether you would like to record system audio. If I want to upload media directly, I can click Upload Media. I can also import from YouTube, and I can connect a mobile device. Just hold up your camera to this QR code, and it will connect your mobile device to Techsmith Relay using Techsmith Fuse. Techsmith Relay gives me a selection of different options as to what I would like to record. I can record the full screen or just a region. I can use the built-in microphone. I've got a few other options here you'll see. I can also record system audio and the cursor. When I click record, it's going to give me a countdown, and it's going to record all of my actions from the time at which I click that button until I stop it. After I do so, you have to wait while it actually uploads your video to Techsmith Relay Cloud. So don't close your laptop immediately. Give it some time to upload that file. Once I've uploaded that file, I can browse to Canvas. I can create a new page. Oh, look, the front page of our Canvas course has a Techsmith Relay video built into it. What's great about it is that you can get analytics, you can build in quizzing. I'm going to create a new page to include my video. Simply click the Techsmith Relay button, and it will give me a number of videos that I can choose from to insert. Here's a video I uploaded. I can add that media, or here is a video I recorded from Techsmith Fuse. And there it is. Easy, done. It only shows you videos that are in your library, so likewise, any students who record their own videos, they only see their own videos in their library to share in the rich text editor in Canvas.